The sequence is 2, 4, 8, 16, and what number? Someone might think add 2 plus 2 equals 4, right? And then add 4 plus 4 equals 8, and then add 8 plus 6 equals 40, right? But this is 14, is not 16. So pattern fails, yet they may force it. 16, then 16 plus 8 equals 24. So wrong answer 24. Reason: incorrect assumption of adding increasing even numbers instead of recognizing the doubling pattern. So correct approach: this is geometric sequence, each term is multiplied by 2. So 2 times 2 equals 4, and 4 times 2 equals 8, and 8 times 2 equals 16, and 16 times 2 equals 32. So correct next term is 32.